In this video, I will be showing you how to install Streamlabs in Windows. So let's get started. Just Google Streamlabs. We will be having the link from streamlabs.com. Just select it. And here we are having Streamlabs desktop. Click here. And the download will be getting started. This is around 252 MB in size. So just be patient for a while. These are some of the features it offers us. We can do multi-stream, which is broadcast in multiple social media platforms simultaneously, and we are also having the ability to use OBS plugins like alerts, overlays, and chat widgets. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the Streamlabs desktop setup. Just read it through and click on I agree. This is going to be the default location where Streamlabs will be installed. If you want to change it, click on browse and do it. Once you are done with that, click on install. Once the setup is done, we'll be getting this run Streamlabs desktop and also a desktop shortcut. Just click on finish and the Streamlabs desktop app will open. It's asking us to create an account, or if you already have an account, login. If you don't have an account, just click on create an account. If you want to skip it, you can simply click on the skip button over here, or you can simply log in with any of these platforms. I'll just click on skip for the moment. And some settings, if you want to like OBS settings over here, you can do that. And we can set up our webcam and microphone over here also. You can even do it later in future. And that's it. We'll be getting the Streamlabs interface like this. You can just customize it based upon your experience, adding the desktop capture, sources of audio and speaker and everything. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.